Here's an interesting problem. No solution. Use substitution to show that the linear system, blah, 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 has no solution. Lines that have no solution are, how are they related? They're parallel. What do you know about their slopes then?
That they're equal.
The same slopes, and what about the y-intercepts?
They're different.
Different. Okay? So, we need to show that this guy has no solution. And we're going to do it using substitution. Okay, so here's our system. Notice that this y is already solved for. That's nice. Right? You don't have to do any manipulation. So we're going to take this statement and plop it in for y right there. Okay? So we have 2 times 4x plus 9. That's what y was equal to. Minus 8x equals negative 18. And now we do what we've done all along. Multiply that 2 in. And change sides, change signs with the 18 here. So that will be 8x minus 8x equals negative 18 minus 18. 8x minus 8x is 0.
Or just x, right?
No, 0. If you had 8x minus 7x, that would just be x. Because x is like 1x, right? Negative 18 minus 18 is negative 36. Do you sense a problem?
Maybe a little bit.
What's wrong with that statement?
There's no variable.
Okay, there's no variable, sure. What else do you see that's fishy about that statement?
It's not equal.
Yeah, 0 is not the same thing as negative 36. Right? Except maybe in the case of debt, because when you have no money, you have no money. No matter how far you are in debt. But the amount of money that you don't have can be modeled with that negative. And never mind, anyways. 0 and negative 6 are not the same number on the number line.
Right, negative
Okay?
36.
So, here's the point. Because we ran into an impossible statement,
No,
0 and negative 36 being equal, that means that there's no solution.
Oh.
Okay?
Neat.
If there was an intersection point, we would have got x equals something. But because we got something that makes no sense, that means that those lines don't cross. Okay? So no solution. Because 0 cannot equal negative 36. That's an impossible statement.